Hello all my creative friends. Thank you still on my channel. Today I will show you how to make a white lily flowers. The flowers from a ribbon, especially satin ribbon, and I hope you like and enjoy this tutorial. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment and share this video. And now let's prepare the material that we will use making this flower. The materials are ribbon, scissors, pincer, lighter, thread and needle, stamen, glue and glue gun. The first step, you take a ribbon. This is the width 2.5 centimeter and the length 5 centimeter. Three times like this. You cut the end of the ribbon to form the curve. Like this. Take a lighter and you melt the edge of the ribbon. Like this. You take needle and thread and start sewing. This. You start sewing here. You skip one line and you start sewing again here. You pull the yarn and you take a stamen and you enter here. Here you pull and the knotted yarn. Like this. You do the same process and you put the first flower before you insert, you enter the second petal. and U knot. And now you take the ribbon, the green ribbon. This is the weight of 2.5 centimeter and we need 9 centimeter. The length of 9 centimeter. You melt and you twist like this. Okay, you need 3. You take a glue and stick with the glue and put the leaf behind the flower. You need 3 like this, and the white lily flowers has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.